In this video, I want to show how you can add new page to your Microsoft Word document. For example, now I have two pages in my document, page 1 and page 2. And I want to add a new page to my document. The first way to add new page is to press Enter button for some numbers to reach the new page and create a new page. As you can see, now I have three pages. Okay, uh, this is need sometimes to press some enters for creating new page. A better way to add a new page is you can go to insert and add blank page. As you can see, I directly go to new page and I can enter my information in this page. Okay, another way to add a new page is pressing Ctrl and Enter, and you can directly create new page. Okay, you can see I have added two pages, two new pages for my document. And if you need to remove this page, you can choose backspace on your keyboard to remove this page. I have three pages, and again I press some backspace to remove the page.